to replace the e-brake release handle on my 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup. This process would work on every single Ram pickup from 2002 to 2008. And now, let's get through this. So what happened was that I pulled this thing too hard and it made it come off, as you can see right here. So we're going to show you how to replace that. So the first thing to do is to remove this thing right here. That, you got two bolts, one over here. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, it's right there. Another one right there. You unbolt those and unclip from these two areas, just like so. Now after you remove the board that was here and you unclip it from these two areas right here, you gotta kind of pull but without breaking anything. That's the trick of this. And next you have to remove this panel right here, just like so. And there's some hooks back here that they come behind this pillar, and you take them out like that. The next step is to remove these two screws right here, and they can easily come off with a Phillips screwdriver. And now you pry this thing off right here, and it comes off with this. And this comes out just like so. Okay, so this is where the handle used to be, and we got a new one right here. So all we have to do is align these to go straight into the grooves, just like so. Okay, so here's the tricky part. It's to get the wire to come with this yellow thing right here that holds it in, so you can be able to release the e-brake. All you have to do is pull it and push it in there like that, just like so. And we're done. Okay everybody, so that's how you install an e-brake handle. But now all you have to do is reassemble everything. But reassembling is just the opposite of disassembling. And I hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Mustafa's Garage to see more behind the scenes stuff that we do all the time. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you later on Stallion's Garage.